Hi, I'm DaRealLesley and welcome back. So here's another Amapiano tutorial of another dance step. So this one, I want you to start off with your legs together and then we're going to step one to the right, two to the left, one to the right, step two to the left. Now we're going to add a hop on our right leg. So we're going to hop, step, out. Again, hop on your right, step, out. As you're going to do that, you're going to lift up your arms to here. So you're going to go hop, step, out, and. Okay, and again, hop, step, out, and now we're going to add on the step that we did earlier. So we're going to go hop, step, out, and hop and step, and hop and step, and hop and step. Good. And more from the top, slow. So we're going to go out, 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 out. And now we're going to add the hop. Hop and out, hop, and the arms, hop and out. So thank you very much for joining me, and do like, subscribe and share, and wait for some more tutorials coming your way.